Hi, welcome to Beginning Ukulele. Today's lesson we're going to talk about two new strums that I want to encourage you to strum from now on. Okay, so up to this point you've been pretty much doing a downward strum for your most of the courses that most of the lessons that we've done so far, and this was to get you very accurate and comfortable in your ukulele playing style and your technique. So basically just getting you comfortable and accurate in playing the instrument. So I take it at this point you're very comfortable and found the way that you want to play your instrument. So now we're going to move on to playing a more rhythmic way of strumming. Okay, and they're basically pretty easy. I'm using the names straight and gallop. They're not necessarily the musical terminology for the names, but they're a great way to associate the names with the style of playing, and easier to catch on by, I think, with these associations. Okay, so the first strum is a straight strum. Just very mechanical, like a marching like feel, like a feeling of a clock. Okay. The next strum is called a gallop strum. It's not really called a gallop strum, but I'll explain that in a minute. The actual musical terminology for that is a shuffle or a swing. So you probably hear that in circles of music or other musicians, etc. The reason why I call it a gallop strum is because to me it sounds and feels like a horse galloping. And that's a great association when learning how to do these strums. So let's go through them together. Okay, so the straight strum is very easy. All it is an up and down strum that follows a mechanical kind of feel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, very. See, as you notice I'm doing this, it sounds very mechanical, almost like a clock. Okay, so again, I'm doing a damping strum exercise when you're doing this. Straight strum, very easy, just like a clock. Make sure you're very mechanical, just like a clock. And that's the straight strum. As you can see, it's very straight lines. Now, the next strum is called a gallop strum. Okay, and the reason why I call it a gallop strum is, oh, by the way, you might hear other terminologies like swing and shuffle. Those are more names that you might hear when discussing this type of strum, but for now we're going to call it a gallop strum because I think it sounds like a horse galloping. And the way the strum is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You're going up and down, okay? When you're strumming, you're going up and down. But think of up, down, up, down, up, down. And if you think about it, it sounds like a horse galloping. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Ding, 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 ding. And as you speed up, ding, 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 ding. So it sounds like a horse galloping. So it's kind of the emphasis is kind of like dragging your fingers up, but and come down a little more precise. Or profound. Drag up, down. 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 So you drag it over the strings, then down. Drag it over the strings, then down. And that's the gallop strum. Go ahead and try this along with me. Here we go. With a 4 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're strumming, along with me, the 1, whenever you say 1, it's going to be a downward stroke. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, Okay, so when you think you're ready to move on to the next lesson, we shall see you there.